Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about a few types of rices that are out there in hopes of answering your questions about them as far as what they are. It can be confusing when we're shopping for rice because there's so much out there on the market. We're starting today with Valencia rice. What is that? It's a popular rice in Spain, often used in paella. It is a short grain rice with a high starch content, so it's going to be tender and moist and stick together and clump together when it's cooked up like you would expect any short grain rice to do. It can absorb a lot of liquids, so it works well in stews and soups and stuffings as well. White rice is the long grain rice that we are most familiar with. It's commonly used in American cuisine. It's also very popular in Asian countries and Mexican culture as well. Has a mild flavor, light and fluffy texture with the grains that separate easily when they're cooked. It's versatile and can be used in all kinds of ways in stuffings and casseroles, stir fries, rice pilaf, and salads. It also blends well with poultry, meats, and vegetables. All it is just the starch, the endosperm, the inner starchy core of the rice kernel that's left after brown rice is processed and the germ and the bran are removed. That's what white rice is. Now, wild rice is often sold in the same area as rice, but wild rice is not actually a rice at all. It's a seed of a grass plant grown in wetlands. When it's cooked, it can curl up and the skin can break open, revealing a white interior. It has a toasty, earthy flavor, and it blends well with vegetables, nuts, and even dried fruits for sure. And it's especially good if you cook it in a vegetable stock rather than just plain water. Well, I do hope this answers some of your questions about the different types of rice that are out there. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.